Welcome to another episode of Markets Dawn Europe, an audio podcast on financial markets for European-based professionals. A minimalistic solution to the information overload in mainstream and social media. This is what you need to know today.
Morning. Wall Street indices added nearly 1% yesterday, as stocks continue to break fresh records propelled by the IT sector, and the strength of Nvidia, which reached an all-time high, as investors remain bullish on the artificial intelligence boom. Nvidia has accumulated a 180% year-to-date rally, to a total market cap of $3.4 trillion, surpassing Microsoft as the world's second-largest company behind Apple. It is trading at a trailing price-earnings ratio of 65 times, compared to Apple's 35 multiple. Equities in Europe finished at a two-week high, ahead of corporate earnings, and this week's ECB meeting, with Madrid and Milan leading the gains. Luxury stocks were the hardest hit yesterday, following China's stimulus update during the weekend, with Gucci's parent Kering dropping 4% to accumulate a 42% decline this year. Fixed income markets were quiet, due to the holidays in the US, Canada and Japan. The dollar index hit its highest closing level in nearly 3 months on Monday, above 103 points, while crypto leaders, Bitcoin and Ethereum, continue to march higher. Although Israel persists in striking Lebanon in its fight against Hezbollah, the Washington Post suggested that Tel Aviv is not considering attacking Iran's oil infrastructure when it retaliates the recent missile attack from Tehran. Crude oil prices dropped 2% on Monday, and are extending the decline by 3% today, to $75.20, after OPEC trimmed its global demand forecast for oil, for this year and next, by around 5%. In central banks, Fed Governor Chris Waller called for more caution on interest rate cuts ahead and expects gradual cuts in 2025. In corporate deals, Denmark's farmer, H. Lundbeck, agreed to acquire biotech Longboard Pharma of the US to expand in epilepsy treatments for $2.6 billion. Longboard shares rallied 51% yesterday. Equities in Asian markets are mostly firmer today, with Japan and Taiwan gaining more than 1%, while mainland China and Hong Kong are dropping by 1%. FTSE and Eurostoxx futures are pointing to another positive opening of around 0.5% in early morning trading. On the data front today, we'll get the employment report in the UK, inflation updates in France, Spain, Sweden, Canada, New Zealand and Israel, industrial production in the Eurozone, and Germany's ZEW indicators. The Q3 earnings season continues today, with reports from blue chips, LVMH, Rio Tinto, Goldman, Citi, Bank of America, Charles Schwab, United Health, and Johnson & Johnson. Thanks for your time, see you tomorrow.
Visit laconicbriefs.com to subscribe to our newsletter, including this audio podcast with an extended script if you prefer to read, plus performance tables and charts, all in one place. Delivered straight to your inbox every morning, Monday to Friday.